Today we're going to introduce Square Golf Home Edition, the golf simulator and launch monitor. I'm going to show you how this launch monitor and simulator gives you all the data that you need and how simple it is to set up out of the box. To start, just download the Square Golf Home Edition app on your iOS, Android or Windows device. So why Square Golf over any other launch monitor? Square Golf not only provides you with all the data a traditional launch monitor does, it also provides you with putting metrics without the use of another connected device. Not only can you use Square Golf with regular clubs and golf balls, you can also use the provided swing stick to enjoy home golf simulation with your family and friends. Square Golf is powered from an external source using a USB-C cable or from its built-in battery, and it can be used for up to 8 hours on a single charge. And then you'll see two buttons on the top of the launch monitor, one for power, the other Bluetooth connectivity. First, press this button to turn the Square Golf unit on, then launch your app on your device. Once you've launched the Square Golf app, you can create an account and log in. Next, a screen will appear prompting you to connect the device via Bluetooth to your device. During setup, the blue LED will be flashing beneath the Bluetooth button. This means it's trying to connect to your device. Once the blue flashing stops and you receive a solid blue light, it is now connected. Once you're in the app, you have 5 menus to choose from: driving range, closest to the pin, putting practice, game mode and multi-game. Before you begin, click the settings icon at the top of the screen to help personalize your Square Golf. Language, distance unit, speed unit. If you'd like to use the swing stick, this can be applied in the settings too. Once you're happy, click home. When you place your Square Golf launch monitor in your hitting area, please ensure to avoid direct sunlight. Okay, we're all squared away. Let's get cracking. So, to take a shot, you need to place your golf ball in the hitting zone. This is approximately 40 centimeters or 15 inches adjacent to the launch monitor. To ensure everything's set up correctly, enter the app's settings menu, then select target alignment. When you place the alignment stick in the stick zone at the desired angle, Square Golf will align and adjust accordingly. When you turn off the launch monitor, the target line will reset. If you choose the driving range menu in the app, you can then choose the data mode or graphics mode. Graphic mode allows dynamic observation of the ball's flight, while data mode ensures a more detailed review of the ball's impact information. When you choose graphic mode, a realistic driving range will appear on the screen, and at the bottom left of the screen, you will see the ball's tracking window. As you move the ball around the hitting zone, you can see whether the ball is precisely placed in the right area. If you move the ball, the tracking window will reappear, allowing you to reposition the ball correctly. Once the ball is accurately positioned in the hitting zone, the tracking window disappears and you will hear an audible ding. Then, the middle LED on the top of the launch monitor will change to green. Now, go ahead and take a shot. When the shot is played, you can see the clear graphics of the ball's flight and information such as your shot distance, spin rate, and much more. In data mode, you can review detailed information about the shot. You can also attach one of these markers to your golf clubs, enabling you to measure club path and your swing's angle of attack. The club marker is placed approximately 20 centimeters from the floor when the club is upright. If you don't have access to an indoor driving net or facility like this, you can use the swing stick in order to play virtual golf. In order to use the swing stick, all you need to do is go into the settings and select it there. Using the Square Golf swing stick, you can simulate any club in the bag. However, you can also use your putter and a real golf ball to finish off the hole. To take a virtual shot with the swing stick, place the ball in the stick zone and aim the swing stick at the ball. Once the setup is correct, you'll hear an audible ding sound. Now, go ahead and take your swing, and the ball will begin its flight. When you select the game menu in the app, you can then choose how many players are participating, the golf course you're playing, the green speed and much more. Square Golf only uses 1 credit per player per hole. When you purchase your Square Golf, it will come included with 1,000 credits. After you've used all your credits, you can purchase more credits in the My Account menu. Okay, you're all set, ready to go. For more detailed information, please visit squaregolf.com.